Hey, I'm Gianni from johngianni.com, and many people are asking if affiliate marketing can be done with no money. I mean, no money at all, it's very hard because at least you need money for the autoresponder, for the funnel, but you can enjoy some free trial of active campaign of get response. Almost all autoresponder have the option to get a free trial. So at least the tools, you need to have the money to invest. I mean, $9. So if you don't have $9, I mean, it's not, you're not meant to be in the business now. You should at least have like $10, $15 per month, at least for the autoresponder. And there are some autoresponder that would have also the landing page creator opt-in page, because you need a page to collect the emails. So actually you need an autoresponder with a landing page creator to collect emails. At least this is the only thing that you should buy. But the real question is not like, do I need money for the tools, but do I need money for the advertisement? Actually, you can start affiliate marketing with no money. In 2022, we have plenty of resources like TikTok, like social media, blog. There are many channels where you can have free leads, posting regularly, incorporate trends, or so learning social media marketing. Through learning social media marketing, you can drive traffic to your opt-in page and start affiliate marketing with no money. So actually, affiliate marketing is basically earning money through promoting other people's services or products in exchange of a commission. So every time you promote other people's services or product, if they have the affiliate marketing in place, and if you are an affiliate of these products of the vendor, you get compensated, you get money. So they might there are marketplaces like ClickBank, like GDZoo, like Warrior Plus, where you can find affiliate marketing services and products for almost every type of niches. So the first thing is finding an affiliate marketing company which pays you good commissions. Why? Because even if you start with no money, you need money after a very short time. Span period of time, because you need money to reinvest. So basically you need to go to high ticket affiliate marketing products. You need to just go on Google and look for high ticket affiliate marketing products that pays you high commissions, because you need to reinvest the commission in order to scale your business. So you can start for free, but as soon as you get some traction, as soon as you get some commissions, you need to immediately reinvest these commissions in advertisement, more tools. So for scaling your business, you obviously need more money to do it. So the point is, how can you start with no money? So first of all, you can just go in the link in the bio and sign up for active campaign, which is the cheapest autoresponder with the more features. So it's a good balance between an autoresponder and the more features where you can build your email list. So, and then choose a niche. Of course, there are three major niches, which is health, wealth, and relationship, because people all around the world want to be more healthy, want to have more money, and want to have better relationships. So choose within these three niches what you want to promote, and then try to find a product that matches your money expectation. So you should start from the end. So how much money you want to earn. So let's say 10,000 per month. So, first 1,000 per month. So you just have to think, okay, I have to earn 10,000 per month. So I need products that pays at least 1,000 or at least 500. So and there should be enough people interested to this product, and I should have materials and money to invest, or at least I have to have the skills to contact these people, to show my advertisement, my materials to these people, to this pool of audience that could be interested in my product. So there are a lot of things to understand before posting on social network your stuff. So basically, people saying that, I start posting, I start building a community, and then I think of what to sell. It's completely insane. It's completely illogical. It's like opening a shop and then thinking, now I have to think what to sell. It's completely insane. You wouldn't open a shop and then think of what you sell. It's completely insane. So you have to choose a niche and, let's say, make money online, and as an example, and then find a product which pays you high ticket commissions. So at least 500 for every sale. Why? Because the effort is basically the same, but if you start selling high ticket products, you are more likely to have less refund rate, because these are not perceived like cheap products. People tend to use this product more, and then so you can and first of all, you can go break even, and you can have money to reinvest almost immediately. So let's say that you have found this high ticket service to promote. Second point, if you want to promote this product without any money, you should go to social network, which are now TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook. So first of all, I strongly suggest you to go on TikTok. Why? Because it's the uprising social network. It can give you a lot of exposure without spending any money. This is the Instagram of 2010, 2015, when it started. I don't remember. So you can post on TikTok. You should learn how. There is the training on my bio. Go to johnvianney.com, and you should start posting on TikTok, and then repurpose this content on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, or the same content in different platforms. Also, there are Pinterest. Why Pinterest? Because Pinterest is a searchable content. It's content discovery, but of course, there are also this content lasts. So if you post a pin on Pinterest, which is a social network, but if you post on them on this platform, even an idea pin, so a short video, it could be discovered also after 1 year. So content that lasts. You should take this video posted on TikTok and then repurpose on other platforms. How can you do it? You just post on TikTok, and then you go to Snaptic or other apps that cut the watermark off away from the video, and then upload on Instagram Reels, upload on YouTube Shorts, and upload on Pinterest idea pin. So basically, you should learn TikTok and then repurpose this content. And after you gain some traction, you can put the link in the bio. With the link in the bio, you can promote not directly your product, but the page where you are collecting the emails, you're collecting the leads. Why? Because if you directly promote your product, you can be banned, because it's an affiliate link and not perceived very good from any social network platform. Even TikTok. Now TikTok will not ban you straight away, but And the second point, you're not building an audience. So first of all, you should build your email list around the niche, because if you only promote one product, let's say that one day the vendor cancel this product or cut off the market, you handle nowhere. You handle with no money. But if you're building your audience onto a specific niche, you can promote multiple products and you can build your own brand too. So email list is the first thing you have to do. With email list, you can have your own audience. Your own audience only relies on email list, because Facebook can ban you, YouTube can ban you as well, Instagram can ban your account, even TikTok can ban your account. But no one can take you away. No one can take your email list away from you. So the first thing is posting on TikTok and then building your email list through the link in the bio. You can put a link in the bio after 1,000 of followers. But if you're posting properly, you should get 1,000 followers in less than 1 week. So basically, just post and put the link in the bio to your opt-in page that you can build in your autoresponder, and build your email list. Once you build your email list, you can have a 30-day sequence where you are promoting your products. How do you learn it? There's a link in the bio where there is a video where you just put your name and email, and then you get a video and you get a chance to enroll in the 15-day challenge, where there are 15 days of pure content, of pure lessons, where Dave Shop will teach you affiliate marketing from A to Z, and you get along also my advices. So basically, the first thing is building your email list through a one-page website, and then after people have inserted the email and the name, the email and the name, you just direct these people to an offer. You can to a thank you page where you can present yourself, you can introduce yourself, and then you ask them to go to the offer or promoting something related to your niche. After that, they should receive at least 30-day sequence of emails promoting the product and giving value. What is giving value? It's a whole science, the heart of copywriting. You should give value and promote business, to promote your products to your email list. So you should have a 30-day sequence. Why 30 days? Because people, after 30 days of continuously repeating a message, they can consider, they can try, maybe I should check this product. Okay, so you should have 30 days sequence where you are promoting one product, one services, and giving value tips at the same time. Why? Because you should be the first in your customer's mind, in your prospect's mind, regarding to your niche. So your niche, your product should solve a problem. So when you are giving this value and when you are promoting this product through the heart of copywriting, in your customer's mind, when this problem arises, they should think of you, because you have given value on upfront. So after giving a lot of value, your customers, your leads may think, okay, I have this problem of losing weight. What can I do? Yes, this guy is always giving me tips for losing weight since 20 days. So I should check his products. I should learn how to make money online and build a side hustle in order to escape my 9-to-5 job, because I hate it. And this guy is giving me a lot of tips and through the emails, through the videos and everything, through this ecosystem, through his ecosystem. So I should check what is saying, what is trying to sell me, because maybe I need it. So you should give the value through emails and also give the value to social network. Why? Because you need to build an ecosystem. You need to build that only email is not enough. the customer should, the potential customer, the prospect, the leads in your email should see you through different channels like Facebook, like Instagram, like TikTok, like YouTube. You should be everywhere, omnipresence. Why? Because maybe some people are only watching TikTok. Maybe some people are not only watching YouTube. Or maybe after reading your content on Facebook, after reading your content on email, after watching your YouTube shorts, they might say, maybe I should check it. So you should be everywhere. And all of this effort, of course, should be compensated by high ticket commissions. So, first of all, you should choose your niche, you should find a product which gives you high ticket commissions, and then post on social media. Post, maybe you can also start a blog, but focus on only one or two source of traffic and then master it. Repurpose your content, but don't spread everywhere. Your effort, you should be on every social media, but with more or less the same content initially, because you should otherwise you get burnout and you will go nowhere. So basically, choose a niche, choose an high ticket product, promote it using an autoresponder landing page, and drive traffic to this landing page through social media. If you want to learn more, of course, in depth, if you need a guidance, just go to johnbiane.com and put your name and email, and you get 15 days of coaching, of lessons, of private mentoring in order to make money online. See you in the next video.